All right, working on week 2 here. This is the overview of the week. I'll explain kind of what we got working on, going on here. So on Monday, so hopefully you clicked on this link. That's what you're watching right now. On Monday, we're going to go over the unit review. Okay, so big idea here is to watch the walkthrough or look at the key to correct your unit review. You can post any questions that you still have here, and I'll work on answering them by the time we take the test on Wednesday. But the main idea is to correct our quizzes from last week. So how do we correct quizzes? So I made the quizzes reviewable and retakeable from last week. So your only real assignment today is if you want to go back and look to see what you got wrong, do that and then retake them. And then I'll look at the scores and I'll post new scores in the portal. Apparently portal. Yep. Okay. So that's what we got going on Monday. We got go over the unit review, take the test. Tuesday, we have a short quiz. This one is reviewable. You can take it multiple times. I just want you to really get a good sense of power, work, potential, and kinetic energy. It's about 15 questions long. Shouldn't take you very long. And then Wednesday, we have the test. Test is 25 questions. I am assuming you're using your notes on this. Okay, take that by Wednesday because Thursday, you're going to watch how to do test corrections and then use this sheet right here. Friday, we don't have school, so you shouldn't have any work to do. All right, that's week 2. Let me know if you have questions. Love you guys. Miss ya. Bye.